Have a clean surface. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. Hey, I'm Fisher, how-to guy, whatever wallpaper you like from the company that they supply. This is a number of footage in a row. You're going to basically just unpeel it. Find a place where you want to stick it. You can peel the backing off the best you can. Line it up the best you can. If you get a crease, just work it out. Grab a sharp tool and repeat. Clean up and you got yourself a nice wallpaper that you can now do a lot of things. Well, I got a hole somewhere where I need to do my little correction, and it's right here. So there I got a hole in the brick. I hope you enjoy your decorative wallpaper for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.